Oh shit, what's good, YouTube? Hold on, let me get through here. Damn, knocking shit over. What's happening though? Clutch TV back up in this. Man, what's going on, y'all? It's been a cool minute. You know what I'm saying, man? Today, if you can't tell by the video, you feel me? Or if you didn't read the title to this video, you just got excited because you seen that I posted another video on here. Today we're putting the motor in the 240. You know what I'm saying? I'm just tightening up a few things before we actually get started. I gotta tighten that bolt right back up. There's a lot of stuff that's loose on the car right now that I have to tighten up. But yeah, we're getting ready. I had the homie Ren's over here. Y'all haven't seen him in a long time, but you know what I'm saying? He gonna say what's up to y'all when he get back. He had ran to Walmart or AutoZone to go get some brake cleaner so we can clean this. You feel me? And put the clutch on. You feel me? So right now what I'm doing is, you know, putting the power steering stuff back on. I gotta tighten that. I gotta tighten this because you see that gap right there. Gotta make sure everything down here is tightened. Then after that, get that clutch on there. I'm mad I can't clean this shit up because the engine bay is pretty dirty right now, but I'll worry about that later. Just get stuff out the way and get it ready to put the engine in. Oh yeah, and put the trans back on. You feel me? So I'll see you guys when Rand gets back and we get this shit tightened up.
You looking good in the motherfucker.
All right, guys, we got the motor in. You know what I'm saying? All I have to do now is just plug all the shit back up, get some oil in it, put the radiator in there, intercooler, run the intercooler piping, and fluid in the transmission, shit like that, and she should be ready to fire. But you gotta wait and subscribe and watch. Not watch, but yeah, watch, but wait until the next video, man. That's gonna be the next video, is when the car fires. But you know what I'm saying? Big shout out to the homie Ren that came through and helped me put the motor in. He didn't like, he had to leave early, so he helped me start it, like get the motor in the car, and I pretty much just finished it, man. It wasn't too hard, but you did have to tussle with it, especially because I was by myself, but I got it done, as you can see. You feel me? I still gotta get spark plugs too. So this is like a little bit shit I gotta get, but I ain't too much in a rush. It's Sunday, so pretty much gotta get ready for work. But yeah, man, let me get y'all another shot at it. It's in there. It's all fucking dirty, man. Look, I done scratched my shit up. Pissed, dude. Everything is all dirty, but it ain't gonna take nothing to clean it up. And then I fucking scratched my fucking valve cover right here, trying to fight it and get it in there, but it's in there, bro. That's all that matters, man. So I'm excited. Just one step closer. You feel me? So if you guys want to see the car fire, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Share with your friends, man. You know what I'm saying? She's almost ready. You know what I'm saying?